Welcome back!
Something that I'm not sure that a lot of people like, but I've gotten a million.
Wonder why I'm screaming at you. Well, today I'm going to be following a makeup tutorial. You know, I'm a beauty guru. Kind of. I'm so nervous to do this. Anyways, I'm going to be doing the Gabbie show. I'm going to be following one of her tutorials and see how I could get glam just like her or whatever. Let's see what she got to say up in this video and see what she got to do. She better be getting me full coverage, glamorous, setting spray moments. You know I love my setting spray moments. She better be giving me, let me see what she got. She better be giving me some life.
A lot of you will like, but
Probably not.
a million requests to do a makeup tutorial, but I didn't want to just do a regular makeup tutorial. I wanted to do something that I think would be really helpful. Growing up, I was watching all these YouTube makeup tutorials, and I wanted to look like these girls. They were amazing.
Same girl, same.
So I couldn't go and buy the expensive MAC products or Sephora, which are amazing products,
know what
but
you
I
mean.
just couldn't get them at the time. Awesome, affordable drugstore products that I thought I would share with you so that you could achieve.
Girl, drugstore. I love drugstore too. Okay.
A disclaimer on this video that I am not a beauty guru.
We know, girl.
I don't know a lot about makeup. This is just what I do, so don't tell me that my technique is wrong.
I won't, girl. We just gonna follow you today. You gonna show me how to do makeup. We gonna throw all my tips and tricks out the window.
Things like today, I didn't put on fake lashes. I didn't use a
That's my favorite thing to do, not to put on fake lashes.
But I promise you, you can find so many alternatives that you don't need to go out and spend a huge chunk of cash.
I'm trying to save that change, girl. Copyright.
Alright, the first thing I use is Almay TLC Lasting Color. I'm gonna do this thing that beauty gurus do, even though I don't know how.
Okay, she going in with some foundation. I don't got the same foundations as her or the same colors because we two different skin colors, as you can see. But I'm gonna go in with a drugstore makeup like her, and she wants to use it as a concealer and a foundation. Let's see let's see what she applied with. Let's see what she applies it with.
Look at me like that. You have a weird smirk on your face.
I'm gonna look at you if I want to.
As well, it's really thick and buildable. It's awkward for
She
me
using her fingers. Is this the...
And it works as a primer.
Okay, if she want to. What am I supposed to... Honey, I don't know. What am I supposed to do with this? With my fingers? Honey, I need coverage and she wants to... Oh, no. What am I supposed to do? Okay. She won't, I don't know. I don't know how to do this with fingers. She's using her fingers and I need brushes and sponges and stuff to blend in my foundation with my skin and give me life. No. Okay. No. Gabbie girl, next time you decide to do some foundation with your fingers, rethink it. Took me forever to get this stuff blended out. Now, so let me see what you got to say for the rest of this video. It better be good.
You're making me uncomfortable.
I want to see this.
I'm sorry, I have to watch your tutorial. I'm sorry I'm making you uncomfortable, honey.
Listen, you only get 10 views on your vlogs, and one of them is me, so you better watch your mouth.
You watch my videos?
So now we have our foundation on. Next, you want to seal that in with some powder. The best that I found is this Rimmel London Stay Matte.
Girl, I ain't got that. I got some Infallible L'Oreal.
Creamy beige.
I get mine in.
A little bit, and I like pat it on top of my eyes like this.
800 cocoa.
Matte and I don't know.
It does, honey.
I don't really know what I'm doing. I don't know anything about makeup, honestly.
I'll keep you
If you
sitting
still
there.
have some redness or scarring, I like to use. I think this
Hold on, I'm still saying.
There's hair everywhere. I think this one's Revlon. It's rubbed off on my eyebrows. I'm gonna watch this.
Why are you putting concealer over powder, honey?
Next, we're going to do my
The beauty world is quaking.
eyebrows. My eyebrows don't grow from here to here.
Let me see how mine look. Oh, they need to be touched up. Since she's doing her brows, I'm just gonna pause her for a minute and I'm going to finish my brows. Honeys, I need a mirror, so I'm just gonna get me a mirror and I'm gonna draw. Oh, girl. I like using pomades and pencils. Pomades and pencils. She got me here using powders.
Base where I think my eyebrow should be, which who knows what should be there. I have no idea. Once I have this little outline, take
I don't got no F concealer. We're gonna go in with Wet n Wild, still affordable. And she just want me to, girl, what you want me to do? Tap, 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 tap.
Okay, I can't talk while I'm doing this, but I'm just gonna make a really sharp line under my eyebrow.
Okay.
Gabbie.
So you want it really sharp, honey.
So personally offended when somebody comments that I got fucked up eyebrows. Somebody commented
Same.
one time, and it's in my meme comments video. Nice eyebrow.
Beep.
Do you see that?
See what?
Just how perfect, like, I really enjoy the art of eyebrows. You got good eyebrows, and I'll trust you with my life.
Okay, thank you.
It's Wicked Dreams Reve Fou.
I ain't got no Reve Few, girl.
It doesn't do anything.
I ain't got no Reve Few.
It has
I got some Revolution.
pretty much whatever color I want. It's generally in this palette. I don't know any
I'm
of
gonna
these
use
brushes
this
are
kind of the
called.
same color she got.
It's double-ended.
I'm just gonna use this brush kind of like the rest she got.
Doesn't really matter. But whatever it is, put the darker color in the crease here.
Okay.
Oh shit, I didn't do my trick.
What trick? What trick?
Sometimes I tape it, but I'm out of tape.
Oh, she had. So I'm gonna use what she got. How do I do this? Oh crap.
Take your fluffy brush, blend that crease.
Okay.
Now you're
Okay.
gonna take a
Hold on.
lighter
Hold
color.
on.
I'm picking
Hold
this
on.
one. I don't know what color that's called.
Hold on. Hold on. Hold on. You going too fast. What do I do next?
Take your fluffy brush, blend that crease.
Gabbie, honey, I don't know who told you it was okay to use a post board, but girl, it's been taking off my makeup. Look at this brown. Can you use it? Look at.
Now you're gonna take a lighter color. I'm picking this one. I don't know what color that's called. Just like a
Okay, she just want to take a lighter color on the lid. You want me to put a lighter color? I'm just gonna put it on my finger. Oh, honey. Let's see what she does next, girl. This look is not looking too good for me.
I just realized I picked the ugliest fucking faces while I'm doing my makeup. You're feeling really
I know what you mean.
You can take an even darker color.
Darker color?
I'm gonna fuck it all up. You know what I'm
Oh, girl, you already did. Did I say that out loud?
do it for you. We're gonna see what happens. Take a different color or a darker color and put it in this little C. I see beauty gurus do that, so that's what I'm gonna do. It's a
Okay, you
learning
want a
experience for
darker
all of us
color
today.
on
And
here?
then just blend it all together again. Also, if you have makeup techniques, I'm just showing you the products I use more or less. If you want to know how to actually do your makeup, you should probably go check out like a real tutorial.
You should have told me in the middle of the beginning of the video. I could have went.
Put a little bit of white in the corner because it brightens your
Girl, you going
eyes.
too fast. What do we gotta do next, Gabbie?
Favorite drugstore find, and I think yours too, because I get comments every day about how
What
do
is
you do
that?
your eyeliner, what eyeliner do you use?
Eyeliner?
My
What
wig is
kind?
on fleek, that's fucking fly away with the shit. It's this pen. L'Oreal, the
L'Oreal.
super slim, infallible, felt tip pen, any felt tip pen.
I got
It's the
Rambo,
best liquid liner.
London.
It's gonna change your fucking
You got
life,
L'Oreal?
so prepare yourself.
Oh, so you want to, no, we ain't pulling no skin. We ain't getting no wrinkles and stuff. You know I'm black. We don't age. We just go, where did she start from up here? Brought it down. You fill her in. She did a baby wing, girl. I went for dramatic. I don't know why. It just went there. I don't know why it went there, but it did. Oh no. Oh no. Oh no. Oh no. Oh no. Just see, I messed up. Oh my god. Oh my god. I never mess up. Oh my god. This is why I don't use this no more. I don't like these things. I use a brush. Oh no. Look at that. I messed up right there. You see that? Oh no. We ain't, oh no. Sister Gabbie, we're gonna need you to get you a eyeliner brush and some in-glot eyeliner, please, honey.
Also, holy grail of drugstore is this L'Oreal Voluminous Carbon Black mascara. It is so amazing. I bought really expensive
Why it gotta be black? I'm just kidding. All mascara, almost all mascara is black besides the brown, the blue, the, you know. But we ain't got no carbon black, honey. We ain't got no carbon black.
And I can honestly say that this one definitely is as good, if not better, than them.
So is this one, yeah?
Mascara. I shake it. A lot of people don't do that.
You shake it.
But if you shake it at the base,
I ain't shaking nothing for you, honey. You go pay me?
volume to your lashes, and then I kind of like blink onto it. So you like shake, 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 and then blink. True match, and it's a face powder.
I can't tell if she's doing.
It's more dark than I need it, just so that I can wear it as a gentle little bronzer.
I can't tell if she was doing bottom mascara or not, but she didn't put it on camera, so I guess not. I have the True Match, but I'm not gonna actually use it because it's my face color and it's not gonna do anything. So she's just bronzing up, so I'm just gonna take some of my Play-Doh bronzer. It's matte bronzer, and I'm just gonna take it and bronze up just a little bit because that's what all she's doing. I'm just bronze up like she is. She's putting it all on her cheek. I don't know why, but you know.
Really wrong. Every time I get my makeup done professionally, they don't use it, and they make me look really pale.
Why are you putting it all on your cheeks, honey?
Like trashy horror, but it's okay.
Okay, she was doing her forehead. Thank God. I thought she wasn't going to.
I'm not going to do today.
Who knew this was a Jeffree Star collab? Because we're going to go in with some unicorn blood. She didn't go in with a real lipstick, but we know we're gonna not follow the full tutorial. She went with like basically a lip gloss, so I'm just gonna go take a real lipstick because that makes my teeth look good. Hey Gabbie, this tutorial was a challenge, and hunty, I need you next time to have some brushes, no more pencil eyeliners, and I'm gonna need. Thank you so much for having David here with us, and he featured on my channel too, girl. Thank you so much, David Dobrik. Clickbait. Ooh, I got this tutorial done. Y'all wanna do a little montage? She didn't do no montage. Shoot, no. But, you know, this is how it look. I told you I messed up, girl. She didn't use much. Look, I got creases because she didn't use much powder. I needed, like, translucent powder. Look at this. No. Not just foundation powder. I need translucent powder to set to the gods. But I think this look turned out pretty great, guys. If you think so, let me know in the comments down below. I am so excited I finally did this video. I was so afraid to make this video. Thanks to the Gabbie Show for showing me a good tutorial. Honey, I know we had our ups and downs with some products and stuff, but you know, you did good, hunty, and I did good because you taught me how to do good. Okay, guys. Whew. I'll see you next time. Go ahead and check out the links down below. In my description, I have all my social medias. And if you want to check out Gabbie's channel, I got it listed down below as well. And I'll see you next time with another video. Bye.